Hello everyone, this is Sun. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about my first week of Invisalign and what I think and how I feel and all the pain and all of that. Yes, I did cut my hair short, so that's new about me. I do have Invisalign on right now, so if I'm talking with a slight lisp, it's because I have them in. I wanted to give an update after my first week of Invisalign because I feel like I'm gonna forget about how I first felt and the pain if I don't talk about it now. The first day, they put on these attachments on your teeth. Invisalign's not really invisible, like I said, but I wasn't expecting it to be invisible. I don't mind the lisp that much, that when I talk I have a lisp. And I don't mind the look of it. When I first had them in, day one, they hurt a lot. And some people said it doesn't hurt. It depends on the person. Everyone's Invisalign experience is different depending on how much their teeth need to move, depending on the retainer, all of that kind of stuff. It didn't hurt my mouth as much. Watch a lot of Invisalign videos, and I'm making one because I feel like there's not enough people talking about how much it hurts and the pain that comes with Invisalign, because a lot of people don't experience pain and there are people that do experience pain. So pain is just kind of, it depends on the person. I've never had braces, so I can't say that they hurt more or less than braces. A lot of people that have had braces and Invisalign say that braces hurt more. It is bothersome that I have to take them in and out and I brush my teeth, but I don't mind that way too much anymore. Jumping back to day one. Day one, it hurt a lot when I got them in because I was aching and it feels really tense on your teeth. It feels like when your teeth are sensitive or when you have a toothache. So I took like 3 pain meds that day. When I'm sleeping, I don't wake up because of the pain, so that's good. The second day, it didn't hurt that much during the day, but at night it would hurt a lot. Third day was the same. It hurt a lot. It was very tense. It didn't hurt as much as day one. I took 1 Advil on day 2 because day 2 I was out the whole day, so I couldn't tell how much pain I was in until at night. Day 3, I had to take 2 Advils because I was just home not doing much and I was thinking about it a lot, and you can feel that it's in your mouth. I want to say that every day it does get better because every time I wake up, it feels like the Invisalign has formed more to my teeth, and the plastic in the back that would bother your gums or that would bother your tongue, it kind of wears down. And if it's too sharp, you can also file it a little bit so that it's not hurting your mouth or hurting your gums. Wake up in the morning, it forms more and more to my teeth. So especially on these front teeth, I guess because my tongue rests there when I sleep, on the front teeth, it definitely has formed onto those teeth. The most pain that I feel is like around my canines. So like right here, I feel the most pain. But those are also the teeth that I want to move the most. So I feel like if you have a lot of teeth that are going to move, you might experience more pain. My bottom teeth hurt a lot more than my top ones. Day 1, I took them off very often because they were hurting so much. I was like, I don't know if I could do this anymore. I don't know if I could take Invisalign. The first 2 days, the top right here was cutting into my lip because it wasn't formed on my teeth perfectly. So it feels like you can move it. I could suck saliva from the retainer. That sounds gross, but it feels like it's not on properly because it hasn't formed to your teeth yet. And I thought, maybe I haven't filed it down enough or something like that, but it just needs to form onto your teeth properly. My top lip will pinch in between my teeth and the retainer itself, and that was pretty painful. Like every time I talk, it would like get stuck there. It doesn't do that anymore. I don't know what it's like when I change my trays. I really pray that it doesn't hurt when I change my trays. It doesn't hurt my lip. It doesn't bother my bottom teeth that much. When you wake up, it feels a little better. Now it actually hurts when I take them out rather than when I have them in. This is day 7 of my Invisalign journey. When I take them out, I can feel like my teeth are like wiggly, especially the ones that want to move a lot, because your teeth are moving, so it kind of feels like like very sore. When you eat things, it's very sore. It's hard to eat hard things like ever. No one ever recommends that you have it out for more than an hour or 45 minutes because your teeth can actually shift back and would hurt to put your retainer in. That's my Invisalign journey so far. I'll put up updates because I know people would want to know about pain and everything. If you do want to know the price, how much I got it for, I actually got it for, because it ranges from $2,000 to $5,000 depending on your dentist, depending on your plan, all of those things. I only paid somewhere around $3,000, I don't remember now, because I paid a lump sum. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment any questions that you may have, how your Invisalign journey was. Did it hurt for you? Because it has definitely hurt for me, and I really felt like taking them off every hour or like giving up because it was so bad. And I would sleep early the first couple of days because it just was so bad. And stay tuned for my next videos for more Invisalign updates. Bye bye.